Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So I hope that you're all doing well and staying healthy. I've been doing a lot of online shopping, I mentioned that before, and I'm still getting my boxes. So today I have a short story box to share with you. So this one and my Stitch Fix box are ready to come in the house, clearly. So when I get my boxes, they've been in the garage. I wipe them down when I first get them, stick them in the garage, and then a couple days later I grab them, wipe them down again, and we're ready to go. So I'm gonna share this one with you today. So Short Story is a Petite subscription clothing box. So I did dig in because it's been sitting and I needed to look to see what's inside. That's just me. So let's try everything on, see how everything looks. There's some promising pieces in here. I'll be right back and we'll go through the items. Okay, so this first top is by Camuto. This is the Petite Pleat-Front tank in the color Fireside Red, and it's an extra large petite. It's $42.52, and it's 100% polyester. So the color is just gorgeous. I really love the color. It does have a V neckline. It's a little bit low, so I couldn't wear it to work, but I could wear it on like weekend wear and things like that, which I love the color of this top. I think it's so pretty. I did put on a necklace with it, but it was hiding the neckline, so I had a fun, I'll show you. One of my favorite necklaces to wear. How vibrant, right? Perfect for summer. So I didn't want to hide the neckline since I was showing you the clothing, so I took it off, but I wanted to show you which necklace I probably would pair with this. So I do really like this top a lot. It's a good length in the front too. Kind of has like a seam down the front, if you can see that. Oops, let me back up. Put on with some white pants. These are my own white pants that I put it on with. I'll turn around and show you the back. Now the back is a little bit longer, which I like too, but the color is just like so, vibrant is the word that keeps coming to mind. I love the color. So yeah, I think this one's a keeper. What do you think? All right, I'll be right back and we will go over the next top. Okay, I'm back with the next piece. Now this is a shrug, and I'm not usually a shrug person. I'll tell you why in a second. So this shrug is by JM Collection. This is the Petite Parker Knit Shrug in white, extra large petite, $46.29, and it's 98% rayon and 78% rayon and 22% polyester. That math makes more sense, right? So I don't normally like shrugs because I feel like because I'm more rounded on top, I don't need to look even more round than I am. You know what I mean? So shrugs usually, because of the shape of them, just make me look more round. This one, I don't think does. I'll back up so you can see, and you can tell me if I'm wrong. But I really think that this one is a good cut and fit for me. So I really like it. Look how cute the detail is on the sleeve too. I think it's so cute. Whoops, yeah, you can't see it down there. There we go. So yeah, I think it's a good length. It's not too short, because I don't like the ones that are too short either. What do you think? I think I might keep this one. Let me know. I probably wouldn't wear it with this top, although her note said to put it with this top. I'm probably gonna try it on with like some dresses and jumpsuits and things like that, but this might be a keeper. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, next top is by the brand Halogen. Now this is the Petite Gianna long sleeve tee in the color wine. It's an extra large petite, $34.37, 95% rayon, 5% spandex. Let me tell you, this is so soft. I love the feel of this tee. So it's really just kind of like a basic long sleeve tee, so it would be good for layering and things like that. I do think it has like a good like neckline to wear statement necklaces, because you know I love that. I just don't need another top of this color right now. My top is filled with this color. So she does know my style because she knows that this is a good color for me. I love burgundy. Burgundy is a good color for me. I have a ton of it, so this is gonna go back, but I do think it's a really cute top. It does have a rounded hemline, and it kind of slits up right here on each side, so I do like it. I think it's really pretty. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it, and the material feels great. So this would be good to like layer with vests and things like that. So if you need a top like this, then this might be a good top for you to request. Maybe if it were in a different color, I'd keep it. I don't know, I think it's cute. I just don't need it, so I'm gonna send it back. I'm gonna show you the back of it. So it is a little bit longer in the back too, which I do like for my tops. But yeah, this one's going back, but it feels so soft. It feels really nice. So All right, I will be right back. Actually, I'm gonna grab a top that doesn't fit. It's the wrong size, so I'm gonna grab it. I'll show it to you and I'll be right back. Okay, so this next top, unfortunately, I won't be able to show you on. It's just too small. She sent me a size large, which I'm always a size extra large, and thus things run big. This is by Lovetree. This is the Tencel Roll-Up Ease Tunic in blue, size large, 100% Tencel, and it's $32.49. Now, when I saw this, I really was hopeful for this top. Look, it's one of those kind of like chambray type of tops. How cute is that? So it's got just like a split V neckline, it's got a collar, and it's got a pocket on the front on the left side. And then the back kind of has like the pleating detail, and then each of the sleeves has a roll tab. So I was so hopeful. Now I have a chambray type shirt that buttons all the way down, and I've been looking for one like this that just kind of, it's not like buttoned down or anything. It just kind of has a split V-neck. So if you know of one, please let me know. You can do some online shopping for me. Spend my money, right? So I've been spending a lot of my own money. I know a lot of you have told me the same in the comments that you've been doing a lot of online shopping. So you can spend some of my money now. Let me know, where can I find a denim or like a chambray type shirt that's this style? Like I want this exact same style, maybe a little bit longer, so I can wear it more of like as a tunic length. Let me know and I'll do some, I'll buy it. So just let me know. All right, so I just wanted to show you in case you're interested, because this is very cute. I love this style. Okay, what do I have to show you? The jeans. I didn't put on the jeans because I didn't want to wear them throughout the try-on and fall in love with them. So just in case, I left them in the box and I'll try them on now so that I don't have to keep them on long, but I don't need any more blue jeans. They're blue denim. Let's see what they look like. Hang on one second. Okay, just what I was afraid of. They fit like a glove and they feel great. These are by Democracy. These are the Petite Absolution ankle skimmer jeans in the color indigo. They are $58.26. Now, these are so nice. I'm not wearing shoes. I just don't really want to bring any shoes out of, you know, the closet right now. I don't know. It's just how, with everything going on, so I'm barefoot. So I'm sorry, because sometimes it's better to see it with shoes, but just for now, until things get better, I'm not gonna bring, you know, dirty shoes into my house. Not that they're filthy, but you know what I mean. So anyway, if I have some clean ones that I get in a box, I will try those on, but okay, let's move on to the jeans. So they are a good length. So they came to me rolled up, but I rolled them down. They are more of a high-rise jean, which I do prefer. So they come up to like right here. I just think they fit great. I just, like I've been saying, I don't need any more blue denim. But I just love the wash of these. Oh, I don't know. And they feel great. They really do. Let me know what you think. And then I could, if I roll them like they came, they'd be capris. So they could go into like the spring and summer. And I love the dark wash. It's a great wash. All right, let me turn the camera back up. We'll do a recap. We'll figure out what I'm gonna keep and what I'm gonna send back. Hang on one second. Okay, are we ready for the recap? So I think I've made my decision. So the Halogen top, although it's such a pretty color, I love this color. You know I love this color. And it's so soft. I mean, this is a great top, and this might be good for this time we're in right now because, you know, while I'm working at home most days, I still kind of get dressed up a little bit for work just to kind of be in a routine, but like 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock comes, I change into like some comfy clothes, and I've been wearing like this type of comfy clothes where it's just kind of like some basic layering pieces. Look, I'm talking myself into buying it. No, it's going back. I don't need this top right now, okay? So I am gonna send this one back, but it would be pretty for like some, you know, layering pieces, a layering top for vests and things like that going into fall. But no, we're going into spring and summer, so this is going back. So I have the boxes right there. I'm just putting it in the box. I'll fold it nicely after. So the jeans, glad I tried them on last, and glad I didn't have them on the whole try-on because I would have fallen in love with them. I really like them. They're comfortable, they fit well, but I don't need these either. So yeah, I'm gonna send these back. I'm gonna put them in the box before I change my mind. I may end up taking them back out. So don't let me do that. Say, Kayla, you don't need them. You don't need the jeans. This, unfortunately, I couldn't even try on. I think if this fit and I could get it on, I'd be keeping it. But since there were, you know, clearly I can't keep it. But make sure you let me know. do some online shopping for me. Leave me some links or some, you know, websites, and I'll go on and I'll look for a chambray top or a denim top like this because I really want one, but that one's gonna go back. So these are my two keepers, I think. I really liked this tank by Vince Camuto. I really like that brand. I liked the style of the tank, and the color is just so vibrant. Look at what's going on with my hair. Oh gosh. Sorry, you guys should have told me about that. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this one, I think. I really love the color. And then the last, I think I'm gonna keep this too. Now, I'm not really a Shrug person because I don't usually find Shrugs that I like and that really suit my body type. And I think this one does. I think this one is, you know, a good fit. So yeah, I think I'm gonna keep this one. So a win for that. Love the detail. Where's the sleeve? Love the detail on the sleeve. So yeah, what do you guys think? So I think I'm keeping that Vince Camuto top and then this white Shrug so I can wear it with dresses and jumpsuits and things like that. Yeah. So that was my short story box. I thought it was a pretty good box. I got some items, so that's, you know, if you can keep one or two things in a box, it's a win, right? So we're winning in this box. All right, so thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I really appreciate it. I hope that you all stay safe and healthy. We'll get through this hopefully soon so we can go back out and get back to our normal lives, right? All right, so I have a Stitch Fix box to tape. I'm gonna tape it right now, so you'll see that probably in a couple days. See you then. Have a great day.